Chapter 1 Real Numbers 9th class exercise 1.47 find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Take root 2 is equals to 1.414 and root 5 equals to 2.236. Solution root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. So multiplying and dividing with root 2 by rationalizing, isn't it? That means that is equals to, so this into this and this into this, like that. So root 2 into root 10, which symbol is there? Minus, right? Minus once again root 2 into root 5, isn't it? By 2 root 2 into root 2. Now write this root 2 into this 10 can be written as 2 into 5, isn't it? Minus root 2 into root 5 by 2 root 2 into root 2. Now that equals to, see here, root 2 bring out common root 2. Now this can be written as root 2 into root 5. Root a into b is equals to root a into root b formula is used here. Now minus this is root 5 by, now 2 root 2 whole square, combination of these two. Now this root square cancels, isn't it? Now that equals to root 2 bring root 5 common now, that means root 5 into inside root 2 only minus 1 by 2 into 2, root square cancel, so 2 into 2. Now using the values of root 2 and root 5, so root 2 is how much given? 1.414, that equals to 1.414 into root 5 value is how much given? 2.236, 2.236 into under root 2 value 1.414 minus 1 by 2 into 2, cancel this 2 ones are, this is 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 eights are 16, isn't it? Now that equals to 1.414 into 1.118 in the bracket, this one cancel minus, so 0.414 by 2. Now cancel this, 2 ones are, see here, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, this is, and 2 5s are 10, this is, and 2 9s are 18, means 0 point something. So once 0.559 into 2, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 5s are 10, 11, 1, 2 5s are 10, 11, 1, 1, right. So 0.559. Now that equals to 1.414 into 0.559 into 0.414, isn't it? Now multiply 0.559 into 0.414. See here, 414 into 559. Vedic method used here. 4 9s are 36, 6, 3 is carry, 1 4 5, 5 4s are 4 5s are 20, 20, 1 9s are 9, 29 plus 3, 29 plus 3, 32, 2, once again 3 carry, this into this, 5 4s are 20, 4 9s are 36, 20, 36, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8, 28, 36, that means this is 14, 164, so 4 is here, 6 is carry. Now these two, 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20, 20, 25 plus 6, 31, once again 1 is here, 3 is carry, this 2 is over. Now this 2, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So what we got, 2 3 1 4 2 6, 1.414 into 2 3 1 4 2 6. So after a decimal point, how many digits count? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 0.23142 is the answer of these two multiplication. Now multiply these two now, isn't it? Now take the same thing. This is into 1414. Now multiply. 1 2 3 4. Put here 2 zeros. 6 4s are 24, 4, 2 is there. 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 8 16, write 6, 1 is carry. 6 4s are 24, 4 4s are 16, 24, 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 means 26, 6 6 12, 32 plus 1 33. So right here 3 is left. Now this into this, 1 6 ja 6, 1 4 ja 4, 10, 2 4 ja 8, 18, 1 4 ja 4, 22, 3 25. So 2 is left, 5 is here. Next this into this, 0, 1 4 4, 2 4 ja 8, 12, 4, 16, 16 plus 2 18, 6 into 0 0, isn't it? 2 4s are 8, right, 8, 1 is carried. Next 2 into 0 0, 3 1s are 3, write 4 here directly. Next these two are over, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 8, 8 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, right, 2 is carry. Now this, leave this, 0, 2 2 means 4, right, 4 2, this into this 0, this into this, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 4 16, plus 1 17, 7, 1 is carry. Now leave these two, 4 into 0 0, 2 into 4 8, 1 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 8 plus 4 12, 2, 1 is carry once again. Leave these 3, 1 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 3 into 0, 2 into 1 2, plus 1 3, 3 we got. So this into this into, enough, this is the final one. So 3270, what we got, 3270. Next 85364. 85364. Count after a decimal point. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 0.327085364 is the answer of the given question. How much we got? 0.327085364. So we want 3 decimal places, take up to here. That means 0.3270 is the answer of the given question. Thank you.